Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this Grady-White 275 Freedom. This particular boat is powered by twin Yamaha 200 horsepower 4-stroke engines. So we come into the boat, see a walk-through transom with a freshwater sprayer, lockable battery drawer, battery switches and main breakers, engine flush system. Here on the transom, you'll have a very large fish box, a lighted fish box. Also, you'll have a live well. This boat does have the fold down bench seat, raw water wash down. Over on the starboard side, you have the cockpit step. This also is going to have the full canvas enclosure, LED lights. The hardtop is coastal fog underneath. It's the same hull color as the boat. As we enter in, you'll see this boat featured with the 2 captain's chairs with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. Here at the helm, you've got a really large helm here to put whatever electronics that you choose. Yamaha digital gauge system, trim tabs, throttles, tilt wheel steering, and fusion stereo. Here on the port side, have a very spacious head compartment. And your main fusion stereo unit's right here. As we go up to the bow, you'll see a very spacious storage, also tackle. This does have a bow block-off door. Making our way to the front, you will see plenty of seating here in the bow with a low-profile stainless grab handle. This boat does have the windlass anchor with the controls here up in the bow. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.